What's up, guys? You got the real Credit King from Fresh Start Financial Group answering more common questions. This questions is another one that's very common. What it is when you guys call, you like to ask, how long does it take? And you're referring to credit repair. All right, so this one's going to be very informative. It's going to answer actually a lot of questions, just not that one. So pay attention closely, all right? Number one is, how long does it take? Well, it could take anywhere from 90 to 120 business days. And let me explain why we say 90 to 120 business days. First reason being is, let's say, for example, you're a 400 credit score and your best friend's a 400 credit score and you both signed up at the same time. But you have 3 collections and that person has bankruptcies, foreclosures, repos, and judgments. Who do you think is going to be faster? Of course, the person with the 3 collections. So that's one of the reasons why some people take longer time than others, depending how much negative items you have, all right? Second, you have to keep open your MyFreeScore Now. MyFreeScore Now is, if you don't know yet, the credit platform like Experian.com, TransUnion.com. This is the one we use to see all 3 of your bureaus. You need to keep it active. By keeping it active, when it's our turn to go in there and check your file, we'll be able to see the good news of the changes that have happened, and we'll be able to email it to you and keep you updated. You also have a client portal to check, all right? Another thing is, if you guys change the password to the MyFreeScore Now, we can't do anything with that. So if we start reaching out to you guys, calling you, emailing you guys, and you're not reaching back out to us, you're delaying the process, all right? This is versus the people that do it the right way, okay? When they do it the right way, it's this way. They pay their fees on time, they keep everything active, they don't change your passcodes, and they don't do anything. What I mean by that is, you also can't run your credit, guys. You can't go out shopping in the middle of this process because it's going against what we're doing. You're delaying process. So there's many different things, all right? So ideal client that gets their job done quick, no matter what they have, is what this is what they're going to do. They're going to give us their ID in a perfect picture, okay? You can't have your hands or anything like that. Your social security card and your proof of residence, which has to be a utility bill or a bank statement. You're also going to keep MyFree's credit score now active with the same password you opened it with and never change it till we're done. You follow? And you make the payments to Fresh Start Financial Group on time if you didn't pick the one-time payment, all right? That's important, guys. What you can't do is not pay MyFreeScore Now, not pay Fresh Start Financial Group, change the password, or not get us the items that we need, like the ID, social security card, and proof of residence on time. That's the difference, and that's why I say 90 to 120 days. So just to explain a little bit more about our process. So you got those two, and you understand the difference between good and bad. Now we can move on to the second thing. All right. So now you signed up, and you gave us all your documents that you needed up front, and you paid us on the one lump sum on the first payment. Guess what's going to happen? We're going to attack your file 3 days immediately after you got us everything that's going. So that means that we're going to be able to give you an answer in between 50 and 60 days from the day you gave us everything. Versus if you pay today and 3 weeks later you gave us your ID. So guys, these are most of the reasons things are delayed, okay? It's usually either a combination of us waiting for you to give us something, or something was mishandled someplace or house. So just always listen to your financial consultant. They're going to guide you the right way. If you're not ready at that time and you don't have everything that you need, like some people lost their social security cards because their mom held it. That happens a lot in the communities. I hear that a lot. But believe it or not, you can get it in 4 to 5 days. So if you're not ready to pay now, pay in 4 to 5 days, because don't expect us to start until we have everything. Okay, so I hope that has answered your question, guys. It's the Real Credit King, Fresh Start Financial Group. We are the company. We will always help you to buy that house, that car, start a business, start a loan, and consult you the right way you need to. Signing out, guys.